In this video, you will learn how you can add the details of the workflows that you are running in Process Street application into your separate spreadsheet application automatically. So guys, Process Street is a process management application in which you can create workflows to manage your processes. And guys, if you want to add the details of the workflows you are running in Process Street into a separate spreadsheet like Google Sheets application, I have automation for you and we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. So to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And I have pasted the same link in the description, guys. This is the landing page of Pabbly. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product, and you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. And here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as Process Street to Google Sheets integration. Alright, and after giving this name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So in the trigger, guys, you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is occurring. Okay. Trigger event is the event which kickstarts this workflow, and the action or the action event is the event which is the consequence of the trigger event. Okay. Or the response towards the trigger event. So here in our use case, the trigger event would be running of the workflows or the completion of the workflows in Process Street application. So Process Street will be our trigger application. So first of all, choose the trigger application from here as Process Street. Here it is selected. And in the trigger event, guys, you have to select this workflow completed option. Okay, so it will trigger when a workflow run is completed. Alright, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, you can make a connection with Process Street application. So you need to follow these instructions written here to make this connection. You can just read it and follow them. Let me show you directly how we can do this. So guys, this is my Process Street applications dashboard, and here you can see I have this profile icon. From here, you have to click on this settings option. And under the settings, you will find this integrations tab right here. And under integrations, you will find this new webhook button. So when you click on new webhook, a field will appear here like this. It will ask for the template of the workflow and the URL of webhook. Okay. So here you have to select the workflow's name. So I have created a workflow here named as content promotion. Okay. So this is a workflow I have created for managing my content promotion, and here it is asking for the URL. So let me copy this webhook URL and let me paste it here. All right, and under these options, you have to check this box when a workflow run is completed. Check this box, and you can uncheck this one. Okay. So when a workflow run is completed, then the data will be forwarded to the workflow from Process Street. So toggle this active button to on. All right. And here you can see, as we have copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means to set up this automation, we are going to manually complete a workflow run. Okay. And the data of that workflow run will be captured here. So just to set up the automation, let me open the workflow I have created, which is content promotion. So you will find out that from this search bar, here you can see in the search bar, I have this content promotion workflow template, and I'm opening it. And here we have this run workflow option. Click on run workflow. Okay, so you can see the workflow run started here, and here you can see the list of the checklist of the tasks under this workflow template. Okay, now to complete this workflow, we have this show menu option here. Click on show menu, and here we have this complete run option. So when you click on complete run, the data will be captured here in this response section. So now guys, let me click on a complete run button here. And here you can see it is written here that the workflow run is completed. Okay, now let's check in our workflow of automation if we got the data of this run completed. And here you can see guys, we got the data like this, and it is showing the name of the workflow template, content promotion, the template ID, the updated time, the username of the account of process street, and here are some tasks details, and all other details related to the workflow is here. Right, now guys, we can add this same details into a separate spreadsheet which I have created here in Google Sheets application. So in place of Google Sheet, you can use any other spreadsheet like Airtable or any other. Okay, also, and to send the data in the spreadsheet, you have to connect the spreadsheet here in the section steps. So search for Google Sheets now, and then select it, and in the action event, select add new row option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from here you have to select the Google account by which you have created that spreadsheet. After that, click on continue from this window, and you can see we are getting connected. The authorization is successful, and we are now connected. So here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is this, workflow runs completed. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have. From here, select the spreadsheet's name. All right, and here it is asking for the sheet's name. So the sheet name is this one, sheet 1. Okay, and here it is asking for the workflow name and the workflow status. So these are the two headers I have in my spreadsheet, workflow name and workflow status. You can add more headers if you want to add more details about the workflows. Okay, I'm just showing you the demo. And to send the values here, you need to map the values of these things from the previous step here in this workflow. So here we got the details of the test workflow run. Now I'm going to use these same details here. So just click here, and it will show you the list of it will show you the trigger step and the drop down. And when you click on it, it will show you the list of all the things that you have captured from the workflow run. Okay, so here we need to map the workflow template's name, which you will find here. Just click on it to map it. Similarly, you will find the statuses as this, checklist completed is the status. Okay, now you can click on save and send test request to check your connection with Google Sheets, and a new row will be added here in this spreadsheet. Okay, so let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and here is the response we have received. Let's check in the spreadsheet if we got the data, and a new row is added here like this. It is showing the workflow's name and the status. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, whenever any workflow is going to be completed inside process street, the data of that workflow will arrive here automatically, and this workflow is going to run in the background. So guys, if you want to use this automation workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.